Chapter 7, Lesson 11. Non-unit fractions. We already know that fractions represent the number of equal parts in the whole shape. Now, today we will take the lesson about non-unit fractions. This kind of fractions we call unit fractions because this shape is divided into two equal parts and only one of them is shaded. This shape is represented with fraction 1/2. This shape has three equal parts and two of them are shaded. When there are more than one parts shaded of the whole, they are represented with non-unit fractions. Do you remember how do we write the fraction? Let's see. We have two numbers, one on the top, one at the bottom. 3 represents the number of parts that are shaded, and 4 represents the total number of equal parts in the whole. Let's have a look if we can practice right here. We will count together, please. This circle is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. That number will be down at the bottom. The number of all equal parts. Now, the number on the top tells me how many parts are shaded. Count 1, 2. 2 out of 3 are shaded. We read this fraction 2/3. Next circle. Count how many equal parts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That number will go down. 4 equal parts. Now how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. That number will go on the top. We read this fraction 3/4. How many equal parts do we have here? 4 equal parts. How many are shaded? 1, 2. 2 shaded parts out of 4. We read this fraction 2/4. And last one, how many equal parts do we have? 2 equal parts. And how many are shaded? 1 only. Now, here between these fractions, we have 3 fractions that are non-unit fractions. This one, and this one, because they have more than one part shaded. But this one has only one part shaded. This fraction is called unit fraction. These fractions are called non-unit fraction. So please remember, if only one shape is shaded, if only one part is shaded, that fraction is called unit fraction. But if we have more than one part shaded, we will form non-unit fractions. Let's have a look. This girl has a triangle where 3 triangles are red out of all 4. That is non-unit fraction. This boy has a square with 6 equal parts where only 4 parts are shaded blue. 4 out of 6 are blue, 4/6. That is non-unit fraction. Same here. We have 4 parts that are blue out of all 8 parts. The fraction is 4/8 or 4 out of 8. 4/8. Let's do this one. How many parts are green? 2 parts are green. Very good. And how many equal parts are in the whole shape? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. What will be the fraction? Which number will go on the top? Number 2. And which number goes down under the line? Number 3. 2/3 or 2 out of 3. Let's go to the next shape. How many parts are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are yellow. How many parts are in all of the equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 equal parts. So what will be the fraction? Draw the line first. Now, which number is on the top? Number 5, right. And number on the bottom, it will be 6. The fraction is 5/6, or 5 out of 6. Let's go to the next page, please. 274. I would like you to solve this page alone. If you need time, you can pause the video and then I will give you the answers. Okay, I'm ready to give you the answers. Let's first draw the line and count. How many parts are shaded? 5. How many parts are there in all? 9. Did you get this fraction? 5 out of 9 or 5/9? Correct. Here, let's write. Draw the line. How many parts are shaded? 3. And how many are there in all? 6. 3 out of 6 or 3/6. Let's go to the green parts. Draw the line. How many parts are shaded? 2. And how many are there in all? 3. 2 out of 3. 2/3. Let's see this one. Draw the line. How many are shaded? 5. And how many are there in all? 8. 5 out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 5/8. Let's go to the last one. How many parts are green? 6 parts. And how many are there in all? 10 parts. 6 out of 10. Good. Now show this fraction. I cannot see. Just 1 second. What is this page? 274. Oh, 2/4. We need to color 2/4. These are 4 equal parts and we need to color 2 of them of the color of your choice. I will choose that one and that one. You can color also 2. 5/6 means we have 6 equal parts and we will color 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Color it all. The last one, no. That will be 5 only. And last one, 2/3. We have 3 equal parts. We need to color 2. So you can color this shape and this shape. This part and this part. Done. Okay, well done. Let's go to the workbook, please. The same thing you will do right here. You need to color the parts red. Red pencil, please. Now it says color 4 parts. So with your red pencil, color how many parts? 4. That one, here, and here, 2, and 3, and 4. You will have 4 parts red out of all 6. That will be fraction 4/6. Color 2 parts. Again, with the red pen, color 1 and 2. 2 parts. So you will have the fraction. 2 parts are red and 4 equal parts. What will be the fraction? 2 on the top and 4 will go down. Very good. Now color 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many parts will be red? 5 parts will be red. And fraction will be 5 colored parts out of 8. Now color 3 parts, please. 1, 2, 3, So how many parts we will have red? 3 parts red. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. And what will be the fraction? Number 3 on the top. Number 5 goes down. 3/5. Work on this page by yourself. I'm going to give you the answers very quietly. Do you have the same answers like me? Number 2, 8/10. Number 3, 3/6. Number 4, 7 out of 8, 7/8. Number 5, 2/3. Number 6, 4 out of 5, 4/5. Here I colored 2 parts out of 5. Here 2 parts out of 6. And here 3 parts out of 4. Did you complete it the way I did? Then you are done and you understand the lesson well. Thank you. Have a good day.